What is this? That's right, he is known as a rich man in the rivers and lakes. Take a bite and crunch the crispy fragrance. Boiled and peeled quail eggs. Wrap it up with noodles like wool. Attractions in the circle. Loose point of wrapping the outer ring, just like this. Fry in a pan at 60% oil temperature. Fry on low heat until golden and crispy. Sprinkle with barbecue. Crispy on the outside and fragrant on the inside. You have no idea. Put the red beans in the pot and steam them. The moment it comes out of the pot, it's a delicious summer treat. My grandfather relied on this food, setting up a street stall in Guangzhou. I bought 3 apartments in 1 year. Let's see how it's done. Prepare red beans for 80 cents a gene first. Add Yangtze River water and soak for 2 hours first. Put the soaked red beans in a steamer and steam for 25 minutes. Steam until you can gently crush it by hand. Then put it in the basin. Add a spoonful of sugar, 250 g glutinous rice flour, bowl of pure milk. You can also replace it with water. Then mix well with a spoon. A heart is just a lift for you, but it makes me happy all day. This video, please help order a free little red heart. Thank you all. Just stir it into me. Then brush oil in the mold. This step can facilitate demolding. Then pour the batter into the mold. Put in the steamer and steam for 20 minutes. Refrigerate for 2 hours after steaming. Cut into round squares. Sprinkle with white sugar conditionally. A soft waxy and sweet red bean cold cake is ready. Especially suitable for hot summer consumption. I don't know what to eat at home every day. Please follow me. Let you cook without worry. I never dreamed of it. Put plain milk in a hot frying pan. Instantly turned into a delicacy. Come with me and see how it's done. First prepare 2 bags of pure milk that are about to expire. I can't finish the pure milk at home. Don't throw it away. Learn to do this. The table was robbed in an instant. Pour the milk into a bowl. Add a spoonful of cornstarch, spoonful of sugar. If you don't like sweet food, you can leave it alone. Then break it up with chopsticks. I cook dishes with my heart every day. Please give a little red heart to encourage you. Thanks a lot. Pour pure milk into a pot. Turn on medium and low heat and keep stirring. Boil it into the video, that's it. Then pour into the mold and smooth with a shovel. Put it in the refrigerator and refrigerate for 2 hours. Then cut it into evenly sized pieces. The cut milk is first wrapped in a layer of cornstarch. Wrap in egg liquid. And finally, a layer of breadcrumbs. Oil temperature 60% heat. Add the milk cubes and turn. Don't flip it when you just put it in the pot. Give him time to set up. Fry for 50 seconds. Fry until golden and crispy, remove and place on a plate. A deep-fried milk with a creamy aroma is ready. I want to eat what I don't want to do. Whoever cooks in your family will send it to whoever. Let him cook for me. Buy the corn, don't eat it all the time. Spend 10 minutes making a corn cake. Sweet and soft waxy. Adults and kids love it. Remove the head bag and shell of the fresh corn, don't throw it away. Repair neatly. Clean it up. Drain and set aside. The corn was wiped into mud with a wiper. Spend a few more hours each day sharing tutorials. Please take a second to give me a like. Thanks a lot. Then add 2 spoonfuls of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons glutinous rice flour. Stir into yogurt. Scoop a spoonful onto the corn, put it in the steamer. Garnish with red dates. Boil water in a pot. Steam in a pot for 10 minutes. The corn cake made in this way is soft and waxy and delicious. Sweet and delicious. If you like it, please arrange it now. I never expected it. Fry the noodles in a pan. Instantly turned into a delicious little snack. First the noodles are cut into longer segments. 60% oil temperature into the noodles. Don't worry about flipping it when you just put it in the pot, let it set naturally. Fry until the noodles are golden and crispy. Pot bottom oil. Add half a bowl of water. A bowl of sugar. Boil slowly over medium and low heat. I cook dishes with my heart every day. Please leave a follow. If you want to eat it in the future, you can still find me if you can't make it. Boil until large bubbles become dense small bubbles. Pour in the fried noodles. Sprinkle with a handful of black sesame seeds and keep stirring. Stir until cold and sandy. The taste is sweet and crisp. If you have noodles at home, try it like me. Thanks a lot. Crushed red dates and chopped peanuts. A spoonful of black sesame seeds. Crushed walnuts, a spoonful of sugar, a spoonful of white sesame seeds. Another not-so-smart idiot. Huahua fainted into the blast section and paved 170 degrees. Turn over in 15 minutes. The sweet and crispy nutcracker is done. Try it. I can't imagine. You can eat the signature dishes of the big hotel without going out. First, cut the peeled potatoes into small pieces. Boil the water, blanch the potatoes for 1 minute, remove and control the water. Put in a large bowl. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. Heat the oil in the pan to 60% heat. Add the vermicelli and fry until fluffy and crispy. Remove it and put it in the basin. Then crush the vermicelli with a spoon. Continue to raise the oil temperature in the pot to 60% hot. Fry the starchy potatoes in a pan. Stir while frying. Let the potatoes heat evenly. Fry until potatoes are golden in color, remove and control oil. Add a spoonful of water to another pot. Spoonful of sugar. It's churning. Melt sugar. When the color is close to sesame oil color, put in the fried potatoes. Stir fry quickly and evenly. Put the potatoes in the crushed vermicelli and mix well. Let the potatoes be stained with vermicelli. A delicious snowflake potato is ready. Vermicelli crisp. Potatoes are sweet and soft. Learn it, you can do it too.